Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of video marketing and why it's essential for your startup's growth. Video has become the king of social media content worldwide. Just look at TikTok's explosive growth. As May 2024, TikTok has 104 billion monthly active users worldwide. In the first quarter of 2024, TikTok app was downloaded 137 million times. Numbers speaking for themselves, video content isn't just a trend. It's a vital tool for reaching and engaging your audience. Companies have had to adapt to this short-form video content revolution. Instagram Reels is a prime example of this shift. Even Instagram's CEO, Adam Mosseri, has said the platform is no longer a photo-sharing app. So what does this mean for growth marketing? It means prioritizing video content for your startup is crucial if you want to stay relevant and competitive. Tip 1. Leverage creator marketplaces. Let's start. There are many tools available for online video marketing, but it's essential to prioritize. Start with creator marketplaces like Billo or Backstage. These platforms make it easy to find talent who can film videos for your startup without paying a large influencer fee. When using a creator marketplace, focus on three main aspects: the talent's past work, demographics, and budgeting. Many creator marketplaces showcase the talent's past work. If your chosen marketplace doesn't, ask the talent for a few examples of their recent videos. Ensure the talent's demographics align with your user profile. For example, at Postmates, we found that female influencers almost always outperformed male talent. So if you're undecided about advertising with men or women, we advise starting with women. Using creator marketplaces is a game changer for startups that need high-quality video content, but don't have the resources for a full in-house production team. These platforms allow you to scale your content creation efforts efficiently and affordably. Tip 2. Produce short-form videos. To stay ahead of current video trends, focus on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Consumers' attention spans are shrinking, and they seek instant gratification. So even if you're filming a 2 or 3 minute video, make sure to create 15 or 20-second clips for these platforms. Short-form videos are likely here to stay. Many large YouTube creators already post truncated clips of their longer videos on Shorts. Repurposing content from longer videos to fit this trend is now par for the course, and you'll need to do so in 2025. Ignoring this trend could mean missing out on a significant portion of your audience. Short-form videos are not only more digestible for viewers but also more shareable. They fit perfectly into the fast-paced scrolling habits of modern social media users, increasing the chances of your content going viral. Moreover, the algorithms of platforms like TikTok and Instagram often favor shorter, engaging videos, making it easier for your content to reach a wider audience. Tip 3. Build lasting creator relationships. Building lasting relationships with your creators is vital. Contract with a handful of creators to produce content and build long-term relationships with them. Spend time educating them about your startup, vision, and brand voice. This helps them produce higher quality and consistent videos. Set aside 30 to 60 minutes to educate each influencer you bring on board. Make sure they understand your startup, its target demographic, and the problems it aims to solve. Create a brief document for each influencer, including sections like background, goal, timeline, specifications, and content. This streamlines the content creation process and ensures everyone is on the same page. Including the background and goal in the influencer brief may seem redundant after the initial call, but it serves as a refresher. The timeline should outline when the agreement will be sent, when you will need to see the first drafts, provide feedback, and perform second takes if necessary. The specifications section should include items like preferred video length, orientation, portrait or landscape, and other necessary elements. In the content section, mention what the video should include, along with any available examples of similar videos. Building strong relationships with your creators can lead to more authentic and engaging content. When creators feel connected to your brand, they're more likely to go the extra mile and produce content that truly resonates with your audience. Plus, having a stable of reliable creators can speed up your response time to new trends, allowing you to stay ahead of the competition. Tip 4. Cross-pollinate your videos. Lastly, cross-pollinate your videos across multiple platforms. Don't just upload videos to YouTube or social channels. Leverage them in lifecycle emails, website pages, paid social ads, and white labeling. Emails are great for directing users to your video channels, providing social proof for your startup. Test conversion rates by using videos in different placements, such as exit intent pop-ups or dedicated testimonial pages. Explore white labeling, where you run ad traffic through an influencer's personal handle rather than your startup's profile. By cross-pollinating your videos, you maximize the return on your investment in video content. Each video can serve multiple purposes and reach different segments of your audience through various channels. For example, a product demo video can be used in an email campaign, on a landing page, and as a social media post, each time driving engagement and conversions. If you're still hesitant about diving into video marketing, consider this. Businesses that embrace video marketing are seeing higher engagement and better customer connections. Video content allows you to convey your message more effectively, showcase your products in action, and build a more personal connection with your audience. In a world where attention is a scarce commodity, video content stands out as one of the most impactful ways to capture and retain your audience's interest. In conclusion, entering 2025 without a video content plan means missing out on a significant resource for creating brand awareness and reaching more consumers. Utilize the available marketplaces and tools to make the process seamless and maximize your video content's impact. Don't fall behind. Embrace video marketing and watch your startup thrive. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to TechZnap for more growth marketing tips for your business. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.